okay if you talk. Okay, don't laugh, please. Okay. Hi, I'm Selena, and I'm here today with Araya Patino to discuss an important issue that I would like a presidential candidate to discuss, and that is animal experimentation. Health and safety experiments conducted on animals should be banned for the horrible lives and conditions all animals used for scientific purposes endure. Among the animals currently being tested on are dogs, cats, monkeys, rabbits, guinea pigs, rats, and mice, among others. These innocent test subjects are forced into dangerous or lethal diets, having burning solutions dripped into their sensitive eyes, being burned by items that are rubbed onto their skin, and are destined to a caged life, never able to see the light of day. Imagine if these were your friends being tortured just so a company can have the label of safety on their products. What most people don't know is animal experiments are not as accurate as we are made to believe. The animals that are being tested on have an obviously different anatomy than humans and can react quite differently from us when it comes to chemicals and drugs. Sure, some species may react close to the way a human might, but it's not smart to rely on animal testing for health and safety as much as we do. As mentioned by Dr. Karina Garrick, one study conducted by the pharmaceutical company Pfizer came to the conclusion that one would be better off tossing a coin than relying on animal experiments to answer the question of carcinogenic substances. Only 5 to 25% of the substances harmful to humans also have adverse effects on the experimented animals. Numerous cases have been recorded in which chemicals or pharmaceutical drugs were deemed safe by animal experiments but didn't pass clinical trials. In other cases, drugs that were considered dangerous by animal experiments actually ended up being safe to humans. I can't speak for others, but that sure doesn't seem accurate to me. Another reason why animal experimentation should be banned is because they fail at finding a cure for many human diseases. Since many human diseases cannot be found in other species, scientists cruelly inject those diseases into the animals. Not only is this subjecting an innocent animal to a cruel disease, but this does not work. The artificial symptoms that are found in the animals do not clearly represent the symptoms found in humans, so how exactly is this supposed to aid in finding cures? For over 3 decades, scientists have tried to find a cure for cancer in humans by artificially inducing cancer in mice. We have found a cure for cancer in the mice years ago, but none of those treatments worked on humans. Obviously, this is not working, so why exactly are mice still suffering when a cure is not going to be found in this way? Finally, setting aside all scientific reasons why animal experimentation should be banned, there are also ethical reasons. Animals are living, breathing beings that feel pain and suffering in the same way that humans do. Animal experiments turn these beautiful creatures into mere objects. People need to realize the damage that is being done to the millions of animals that are killed each year for the sake of safety that usually doesn't work anyway. The same way we would feel if we were taken from our families or born into this world and taken away from our mothers, being tortured and kept in a cage all day till we finally went mad, all before finally being murdered, is the same way those animals feel. They are no different, and for those reasons, we should feel enough mercy to end this cruelty. Thank you. Araya will now give her view on this topic. Doggy's coming, look!
Thank you, Selena. Although it's true that many times animal testing does not result in any positive result, a lot of the time it does. The vaccine against smallpox was derived from the cowpox virus used by Edward Jenner, following his observation that farm workers who contracted cowpox were protected against smallpox. It has now been eradicated from Earth. Polio has been eradicated from North America, and people in countries all over the world are being successfully treated. Although insulin is now able to help control diabetes, through the use of animal testing, there are now vaccines for tetanus, rubella, anthrax, and rabies. So although many may argue that animal testing is unethical, it has also led to advances in our knowledge that may help us develop additional cures, including an understanding of the malaria life cycle, tuberculosis.
Talk a little louder.
What?
Talk a little louder.
Syphilis and the function of neurons. Vivisection was also crucial in the discovery of anti-blood clotting drugs for the treatment of hemophilia, penicillin, open-heart surgery, and cardiac pacemakers, lithium treatment for leprosy, organ transplantations, laparoscopic surgical techniques, and drugs for AIDS treatment. Most significant, however, is the research for breast cancer. According to the Carol Ann Baldwin Breast Cancer Research Fund, this year, approximately 802,800 women in the United States will be diagnosed with invasive breast cancer, and approximately 40,800 women will die from breast cancer. Her son, actor Alec Baldwin, serves on the advisory board of the fund and received PETA's Humanitarian Award in 2000. has broken with PETA over the value of animal research in developing treatments for breast cancer. In March 1998, he told US Today, "One cannot be single issue when it comes to medical research." He's right. Animal research was essential for the development of Herceptin and tamoxifen, two medicines that have saved the lives of thousands of women and men with breast cancer. But animal research hasn't benefited humans alone. Animals have also improved healthcare and a longer lifespan. Farm animals, household pets, wild species, and endangered species are all benefiting from the research conducted through animals. There are vaccines for rabies, distemper, tetanus, parvovirus, and numerous other illnesses in cats, dogs, and countless other domesticated animals. Cats now have a treatment for feline leukemia. It's obvious that animal research benefits all living species and that we are able to live longer, healthier lives because of it.